Hello and welcome. Here we are, day 3, unit number 6. Hey guys, it's Super Duper Sarah Blackburn, coming to you, not live, this is a recording. But today I want to show you a couple of tools that I use, and we are going to create the cover for your course. So what I'm showing you right now is something called Screencast-O-Matic. Hopefully you can see me okay. Hopefully this is working all right for you. I'm definitely interested to see how this is doing. This is the first time I've used Screencast-O-Matic on my desktop computer. I usually use it on my laptop, and so the screen for my desktop seems to be much larger than the screen for my laptop, and so it's kind of throwing me off a little bit. Alright, so we're going to move right along. What I'm going to show you, so this is Screencast-O-Matic. Again, this is a free resource that I use to create videos when I want to capture the screen as well as myself speaking, okay? So where we're going to go now, again, I shared with you, hopefully, let's see if I can move this window so you can see. It's Screencast-O-Matic. I've downloaded it. Oh, look, I keep showing up over in the corner. And it does show a video of yourself if you'd like, or you can turn that off. You can show just yourself, or you can show just your screen, or you can do like I'm doing now, and do both. I like to include a picture of myself. I think it makes it a little bit more personal when you're creating a video for your audience, and especially if this one is a course. So here we go. Now we're going to go over, oh, someone is messaging me. We're going to go, this resource that I'm going to show you now after Screencast-O-Matic is Canva. Da, 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 da. Oops, not Canva doc. That's bad language, Sarah. Be careful what you type. It happened to me for the very first time the other day. I typed in something and on my laptop, and it took me to a PORN site only for half a second before my antivirus or whatever kicked in and sent me back. Said, "You went somewhere. Did you really want to go here? Did you mean to search this?" And it was because I typoed. And it made me laugh out loud. But of course, you know, I'm down here in my office, in my bedroom office, alone, so no one saw but me. But it made me laugh. And so I went upstairs and chatted with my husband, like, it happened! For the first time, it has happened. I am 6 years into my online career, and I officially found work. Anyways, moving right along. So I'm in Canva now, and if you remember from the last course, we talked about the size of a video, the size of the cover image of a Facebook group. Here we want to use custom dimensions, and I'm going to be totally transparent. I cannot remember what it is, so what are we going to do? We're going to ask Google. I am a big fan of Ask Google, Ask YouTube. Please be a problem solver, a solution seeker, and ask Google or YouTube, and then feel free to share whatever answer you found and say, hey, I couldn't remember this, so I went and looked it up. So we're going to go Facebook group cover photo size. Look right there. And here it is. 1640 by 856. Pop back over here. 1640 by 856. Create a new design. Da da da. Here it is. So now we have a blank canvas. I'm going to see if I can move this around so you guys actually can see where I'm going to be working here. Now, this is not my favorite way to show you how to build something on Canva. I actually might reshoot this video on my laptop so that I'm sure to get in the screen all of the actions that I'm taking, because it won't let me make this screen any larger. Let me see if maybe this will help. We are going to figure this out. Now, guys, again, so what it did is it just reduced, if you see down here where it says 30%, it reduced my screen from 100% to 30%, so I can include more of it in the video. Now, this is just another way that we can be problem solvers. I want you to always be thinking about that. Instead of getting frustrated and wasting time, having negative emotion about, oh, this doesn't work, I can't figure it out, let's just figure it out. Let's just make it work, all right? I'm here to help you. The group's here to help you. Post your questions. Or if you are doing this course after it is live, so if you're taking this course after February 15th, please email your questions to despitethestorm@gmail.com. Alright, so now I have selected the size. I'm going to pick now we can pick a background, or we can pick a template, because look, all these amazing templates they have ready for us to go. Now, I will warn you about using templates. Lots and lots of people use templates, so you will catch yourself looking pretty common. That's okay if it's okay with you, it's okay with me. There's no judgment here. You build one that speaks to you. Why, sometimes I've believed as many as 6 impossible things before breakfast. Oh, I like this one. I don't like the colors. So I'm going to be funny. Oh, look, see, it's not going to let me use this one because it's not free. Do you see these lines through it in Canva? This one over here says it's free. This one's not free. This is what I was talking about when I was discussing free and not free things as we move into some of these softwares, okay? What I've done, I've just deleted the grid. I'm just going to delete that out because it wasn't free. And anyways, I wasn't going to use that. I just wanted to show you. So another thing you can do is uploads. You can upload any image that you want, whether it be an image you've taken or an image that you've curated from one of the sources that we talked about in unit number 5, pexel or unsplash, pexels or unsplash. I never pronounced it correctly. Alright, so the one I'm going to create right now, let's say I'm going to create a cover for Power Branding Launch Your WordPress Website. Now, yesterday I downloaded some really cool some really cool images from Unsplash to use for Power Branding. However, I am on a different computer, so I'm going to do it again real quickly. So, watch me. I'm sorry. So, right here, we're going to go to Unsplash, because I will tell you Unsplash is my favorite of the two. Out of Unsplash or Pexels, I prefer Unsplash. Don't know why, just do. Oh look, see, I'm already not logged in. So again, see, join for free. There's always the free way to log in. Hi, I'm Super Duper. Uh-oh, what's missing? Just log me in. Okay. There's me. Hi, Sarah. So, what did we look up yesterday? I looked up WordPress. I looked up websites. Let's look at laptop lifestyle. Just because that's a different search than the one I did previously. Let's see what I get. And again, guys, fair warning, I have no idea what's going to pop up. If you are offended by something you see, I do apologize. It is not my intention to offend anyone. That's my disclaimer there, because I was doing a search with someone helping a client, and we accidentally looked up a very inappropriate phrase and laughed about it because we knew our intentions, so we were able to be funny about it. So laptop lifestyle, to me, this is not in any way speaking about WordPress website or Power Branding or a course. So, oh, that's not what, this is not bad. This is not bad because I like the coffee, I like the computer looks like mine. I'm going to save this one. So now there's a couple ways you can do it. Here you can click collect, create a collection. So then they're housed within this website, or you can download them to your computer. Sarah just downloaded to her computer. One thing that I didn't check before I downloaded was the size of this image. Let's open it up. Let's see if it'll tell me what the size is. Info. Haha, info. Oh goodness, guys. I hope you're able to see the information that's useful here for us. Here's the dimensions. Bing, bing, bing. And that's what I needed. I needed something that would at least be as big as this image that I'm trying to create. This should be just fine. So I just bounced back over. Sorry, guys. I am trying to make sure you see the... As you can see, I've got a couple of tabs over here. So I just went from Unsplash back to Canva. I downloaded this picture. So now I'm going to upload this image, and hopefully you guys don't see my boudoir shoot as I upload this image. See, oh, you can't see it again, but down here, this is the name of the image. So I'm going to upload an image, and I'm going to type in raw pixel. And again, you can rename these to make them easier for you. You can create a folder on your computer to make these easier to find. How are we doing on time here? We're at 9 minutes, alright. But I did want to show you, again, I use Canva. We created a template in the right size. We uploaded an image, and now I'm going to drop it in. Now, there we go. I don't know why I didn't come show this website I'd like to do. I really, really like this. A lot. Because I'm going to play with it. Now, I'm going to take some text. Now, again, with the text, they have tons of templates. You can pick one of their templates, or you can use any one of these, add a heading, add a subheading, add a little bit of body text. Each one of these can be adjusted and manipulated to have any type of size text, color for the text, I mean not text but font. So again, just know that you have flexibility here. So I'm just going to do this one. Maybe my computer's running slow because I've got so much going on here. So I'm going to, oh, there it is. So it did show up. Whoops, my bad. Alright, so what just happened was when I clicked this, it did show up over here. I didn't see it because it showed up in the middle of the image, and also it's because we're sized down to 30%. It's hard to see. Now, if you can see, this is size 18 text, even though it looks super tiny to me. And again, that is because I got this reduced to 30%. I will, again, probably remake this video so you can get the fine details of creating an image. If this is not something you don't know how to do, don't stress it. Go to Fiverr, pay somebody $5 to create a cover image for your group. There is no shame in outsourcing. I actually strongly recommend outsourcing anything that is so difficult for you that it causes you to stop your forward momentum. And always choose to get paid for your genius and outsource the rest. That's how people make the most money. If this is something that you're really stuck on and you need help, by all means, reach out. I'm happy to help. Alright, with that being said, power branding. Launch the WordPress website. I'm going to change the size of that to like 72. Oh, look what I did because it kept it so small. So, again, what I need to do is grab this, grabbing the side, stretching it out. I'm going to change the font to one that I know, come on, that I've used before. That's one I like to use. I'm also going to center it. No, it was already centered. You know, tighten it up. Now I'm going to change the color of this because I know there's a dark background, so I'm going to make it white, which makes it almost disappear for now. I'm going to delete this one. Hey, thank you. Alright, let's move it back up here. Now, as much as I love this image before, do I love this one? I don't love it at all. It's cluttered, there's not enough white space for me to add text the way I wanted to. So really guys, to be all honest, I'm going to abandon this one and try again. So now here in the second one, let's add a background. Let's use that color. Kind of bland. Let's keep going. Actually, I kind of like that. Definitely don't like that. Do you like that? Do you like that? Alright, let's like that one. So there we go, I've got a background. Now let's add some elements. Pardon me, let's add something I've uploaded. Look, hi Sarah. So here I get a little confused why one way crops and one way stretches it out, but whatevs. Look, there's Sarah. Now I'm going to add some text. Ooh, what if I did this here? Ooh, looky. What happens now? Do I like that? And so now I'm going to put it position back behind. You guys, this is my creative process. I have fun playing. In fact, I catch myself playing too much, and then I waste time. And wasting time is never good for anybody. So be careful playing, have fun, but don't get lost in the process. Remember, we have an end result, we have a goal here. We're trying to launch a course, we're executing these pieces. Set yourself a time limit. If you catch yourself playing and playing and playing and not really accomplishing the things that you were hoping to accomplish, set a time limit. I have this really cool little block that I got at the suggestion of one of the workshops I was at. Has anyone ever heard, I'm not going to be able to pronounce it right. Podoro? I'm not saying it right. But so what I have right here, can anybody see me? Can I be seen? Where's my computer? Anyways, it's a little block, it's a little brick that I can time myself 5, 15, 30, 60. I often wish this had a 10-minute timer because I like to function in 10-minute blocks. Here we are at 14 minutes and 43, 42 seconds. I am going to call it right now and tell you guys that you can create this course, you can get yourself launched, as quickly as or as long as you want this to take. There is help for you. I am here to help.